Hello students, today I am going to demonstrate the skill of introducing a lesson according to each component. Now there are 5 components in the skill of introducing a lesson: securing attention, assessing motivational level, linking with past experience, specifying the main points and using appropriate devices. Now let me begin with securing attention. The teacher asks the students, name some things that we can see in the sky. Each student names one thing: sun, moon, stars, clouds, birds. The teacher says, excellent. The teacher, this is the board that I have prepared, draws these objects on the board as the students answer the questions, and also shows these pictures that what are the objects which we can see in the sky. Next, the teacher moves on to assessing motivational level. You will not name the components, you will just move on to the next questions. I am telling you the components so that you can understand how they are separate from each other. The teacher asks, how many of you like rains? Raise your hand. Some students raise their hands. The teacher says, that's wonderful. So most of you like rains. Usually when the clouds appear in the sky and they cover the sky, the sun also gets covered. But on rare occasions, the sun and the clouds are both there in the sky on opposite ends. And in such times, what appears in the sky? Do you know what appears in such times in the sky? A student replies, the rainbow. The teacher says, correct, excellent. The teacher draws the rainbow over here on the board and also shows the picture of the rainbow. See students, this is the picture of a rainbow and this is a natural picture of a rainbow. Now we move on to the next component, that is linking with past experience. Students, tell me how many colors are there in a rainbow? A student replies, there are 7 colors in a rainbow. The teacher says, very good. Students, one by one, name the colors. So each student names the colors. As the students name the colors, the teacher shows them the individual colors and writes the colors on the board: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. The teacher says, excellent, all of you are correct. In short, we call them WBUTTEPA. Now we move on to specifying the main points. The teacher says, so students, today we are going to read a poem called The Rainbow. The teacher now writes the title of the poem on the board. The poem has been written by Christina Georgina Rossetti. The teacher writes the name of the poet also on the board. And the teacher shows the picture of Christina Georgina Rossetti. See students, this is Christina Georgina Rossetti, who was an English poet who lived from 1830 to 1894. She has written many famous poems. Now this particular poem that we are going to read today, let me share the text with you. This is the poem The Rainbow, and this poem is on the beauty of nature and the natural objects, especially the colorful rainbow. So now let us read the poem and understand what the poet has tried to say. Thank you all of you.